Hello, Max here with Waste Management Panda. And last time we talked about editing a user. This time we're going to be talking about route management. Now, if you go down here, this little picture of the map, the marker on it, is all about your routes. And so let's click on that right now. And when this loads up, you could see that we have a route to add a route. We assigned a driver. I did that off screen, and this Jack Smack is our driver, and our helper or labor here's this Gary uh, Shiloler. And these are just fake people. These are not real people or real addresses. But this is just to show you how the software works. So if you want to know a little bit on how to make a person a driver, see the last video, the driver or helper. So now let's call this route, we'll just call this north route. I'm going to add this route, just call it north. We'll assign it to Jack Smack. Glory Schuyler is the helper for this route. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and open a new window, this manage. So open a new tab rather. And in this tab here, I'm going to go up to menu so I can see all the cities. And I want to go to Abilene because I noticed I have 4 customers from this database. Now, obviously, you're going to have thousands of customers in one city. But this is just the short, sweet way to show you. So 8284 Hart Street, Abilene, Kansas is where Carly Bolter lives. Okay, so let's look up 8284 Hart Street for the beginning of the trip. 8284. And you see it comes up right away. So this is a database of a little over 500 people. Now it puts the customer number in there to start with this address. And to end with the address, let's end with this next address, 6980 Dorset. 6980. And we see that we're going to end on Dorset Avenue. And that customer number is number 41. The reoccurrence of the route, is this a weekly pickup or a bi-weekly pickup? So, or monthly? Let's just choose weekly because that's probably the most common weekly trash pickup. Now, this start date is going to be very important, okay? Keep in mind that the start date, whatever one you choose, like if you choose the 14th, it's on a Sunday, then every Sunday it's going to repeat Monday, and then your customers will get a notification on a Monday. You know, if they have their email address and they're signed up to receive notifications when their trash is getting picked up, they'll get a notification the day prior to make sure they put the trash out. So that's why this start date is so important. But we'll go ahead and set it for Mondays. Trash pickup on Mondays. And then if there's going to be an end date, choose it. If there's not going to be an end date, don't worry about it. Here you can add some comments about the route. Maybe you have people with special needs or special circumstances on the route. Okay? And this is the charge, whatever it would be. So this is a weekly charge. So if the charge was, let's say, $30 a month, you would charge $6.90. And how we arrived at that number is we divide, the charge is $30 a month. We divide that by 4.35, and we get $6.90, which is about $30 a month. And then we just click Add Route. Now, once we added the route, we'll get a notification in our email saying that a route was created. Now we got to add people to the route. So let me close this and go up to our other tab. Now this Abilene, okay, let me go ahead and refresh this page. I'm just going to highlight the URL and refresh it. This Carly Bolter, we're just going to put her on the north route. We'll put this guy on the north route. But let's say that you didn't want to assign them one at a time to a route. You wanted to assign mass customers to routes. Well, that's going to be the bulk. And we're going to do that in the next video. But let's go back to the routes because this video is all about the routes. That's how you add a route. And in our very next video, we're going to be talking how to edit the routes. So I'll see you in the next video. This is Max with Waste Management Panda, and I'll see you in the next video.